Side swings, a very popular jump rope move with boxers and jump ropers in general. Side swings, that's the topic of today's video. Hi, welcome back to the channel. So it's just been over 24 hours since I completed a marathon. My legs are a little bit tender, but I wanted to get outside and do a little bit of a jump rope workout to address a viewer's question connected to side swings and also just to loosen up my body. Before this, I did 30 minutes on a stationary bike, and then I did some leg strengthening exercises, which you are seeing on the screen now, and I also did some exercises just to loosen up the bottom of my feet. And you can even incorporate these maybe before your jump rope workouts, afterwards, or even any time during the week to strengthen your legs and maybe loosen up your feet. Okay, so now on to the question that I received recently from a viewer about side swings. This viewer asked, so this is quite common, especially when you're learning side swings, or even if you've gotten pretty good at side swings. Maybe, for example, you can do some cool side swings, or you can perform side swings pretty fast. The side swing does involve a decent level of coordination, especially when you're throwing a jump in as well. Because while your hands are working, our feet can have a tendency to stand stationary. So you want to try to get the two working together. And in this video, I'm going to share some different techniques to get those feet from being stationary to being more active, and show you a few cool footwork techniques that you can use when you're doing side swings. So let's get to it. So this is basically what the viewer was referring to. You perform a few side swings and then you jump over the rope, and then when you land on the ground, your feet basically remain stationary. They don't move while you're performing additional side swings, and then you hop again and repeat. Let's slow that down and examine that. This is a very popular side swing footwork technique with boxers. Basically, you have both feet on the ground, similar to the basic version, which we just saw a few seconds ago. So here, as the rope is going over my head, I will take one foot off the ground by bending the knee. In this case, I raise my right leg first. And then as the rope is approaching the ground, I bring the opposite leg off the ground by bending the leg. Simultaneously, while bringing the opposite leg, the left leg, up in the air, I bring the right leg down to the ground. So the leg that leaves the ground first, in this case my right leg, is also the foot or leg that makes contact with the ground first. So the right foot touches the ground first, and then briefly thereafter the left foot makes contact with the ground. So you have both feet on the ground again, and then you would repeat this action. As the rope is going over my head, I will bend my right leg, raise that foot off the ground, and as the rope is approaching the ground, I will do the same with the left leg. And while the left leg is going up, I will gradually lower the right leg down to the ground, and then soon thereafter the left leg. This is another side swing footwork technique that is popular with boxers, and it involves doing side swings with the jog step. So basically you run in place while performing side swings. And you'll see boxers do this while moving forwards and backwards. And you don't have to run fast. You'll see boxers just jogging forwards and backwards slowly while performing side swings. This move looks a lot easier than it is. It does involve a certain degree of coordination, and you need good timing to be able to perform this move. And this is the single leg hop side swing. This is quite challenging in that it does involve a certain degree of balance as you are shifting your body weight from one leg to the other while you're performing side swings. So that brings us to the end of today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If so, please give it a like. Leave a comment down below. If you have any questions, leave them down below. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. And I really hope to see you in the next video.